Good afternoon, civilians. This is Bio 20 News reporting to you from the X-Wing hallway. Today we have a shocking story about the depletion of our world's rainforests, a global problem that affects us all, even here in the small town of Tabor. To better help you understand the severity of this issue, we've sent our finest reporter to the Amazon, and they will be reporting here live. Here's Jill in one of the remaining unharmed parts of the rainforest.
Thanks, Taisha. Here on this average day in Brazil, it's about 30 degrees. The area I'm at today is abundant with trees and organisms, more so than those affected by deforestation. Here's some images we received from earlier this week in an area near me.
We can obviously see that this is a problem, but how does it affect us on a global level?
Well, Taisha, these rainforests account for the production of 20% of the world's oxygen, not to mention a fifth of the world's fresh water supply. Rainforests inevitably contribute to all cycles important to life here in the biosphere. With large numbers of trees being removed, we are depleting a huge number of greenhouse gas absorbing sources, allowing for more carbon emissions and greenhouse gases to be released into the atmosphere. Trees stand as a large contributor to transpiration. Without them, we are affecting the equilibrium of the water cycle. Without plants, our soil is damaged by an increased number of nitrates that can leak into groundwater and decreased number of phosphates, limiting future plant growth in the area. The rainforests also account for 50% of the world's biotic species.
Thanks, Jill. Now here's Davey Yanomami calling us from his home in Brazil about his fearful experiences as a result of cutting down trees.
Thanks for having me today, Taisha. Here in the Amazon, we are lucky enough to maintain 1/5 of the world's fresh water in the basin. Unfortunately, over the years, our local supply has decreased. After killing off sections of the rainforest, you would think it would be a bonus with extra farmland available, but this isn't the case. Growth from our soil is limited. It lacks the vital nutrients for our crops to grow. Since the 1600s, 90% of the indigenous forest in America has been removed, and we don't want the same thing to happen here in South America. As time goes on, our world's population is rapidly escalating. At this rate, the wheat, rice, and corn demand will nearly double in size by 2020. With the poor soils that was previously inhabited by the rainforest, the growing of crops will not be sustainable. So although it may seem as if I am only concerned for my community, this issue affects us all, and I want to make it right for everybody. I suggest relocating and finding a newer and better quality of agricultural land elsewhere. I enjoy enlightening youth and adults about this problem, and I hope you can help make a change.
If we do not stop the destruction of these rainforests, we may damage the balance of our biosphere to such a degree that it will be unfixable. If we do not slow down our rate of consumption, our rainforests could all be gone in 40 years. This will lead to increased air pollution, soil erosion, and lack of biodiversity in our world. Many plants and animals in rainforests have properties that help cure many diseases and illnesses. You can help stop this problem by doing small everyday tasks such as recycling paper or taking short showers. You can also support organizations that are against the deforestation of rainforests. Thank you for watching. This has been Bio 20 News, live from the X-Wing hallway. Signing off.